Hello, good afternoon, Sophie and Mike. Thank you so much for your time in reviewing this budget modification process. Quickly, I wanted to review some of the questions I included. These 4 questions here are grant identifier questions so that I am sure which grant they're referring to, what years. I included the top codes. I included a booklet which describes allowable expenses. It's very helpful because it even has several paragraphs on supplanting, which is not allowable, and object code definitions. Then I ask for their approved budget, activities, and what outcomes they were expecting to accomplish with the original budget, and the total overall amount of their budget. In the next table, I'm asking for the changes they would like to propose and the expected outcomes as well. And for this total column, I made note that they may not request more money. And then the 2 most important questions is what's the reason for this change and how will this change impact your outcomes? I also made a note here that they need to be in agreement with their dean, and not just signing this request, but also certifying that all the information is true and correct. So that's it in a nutshell, and I look forward to receiving your input. Thank you.